This is my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. It's part of the 5th generation 4Runner, running from the 2010 to current 2020 model year, and all around it's a really solid vehicle with a lot of really good attributes. But one area where I feel like it falls short is the quality of the audio system. Now, I just received an upgraded aftermarket audio system that I'm going to be installing in the vehicle. Before I do that installation, I wanted to share with you the product that I chose, why I chose it, and some of the things that make it better than your standard stock system that you get in the 4Runner. Now, if you're a subscriber on my channel, you're also familiar with my 2016 Tacoma. Both the 4Runner and the Tacoma are available with either a basic audio system or an upgraded JBL system. While my 4Runner's got that basic system, the Tacoma has the upgraded JBL system. It's marketed as a premium audio system, and it costs about $700 more than that basic audio system. Unfortunately, the sound quality isn't all that good. If you want to see more specifics on what I think about the JBL system, put a link to that in the upper right-hand corner. But again, in summary, it's not all that good. Now, when I posted this video about the Tacoma, I got a comment from a viewer pointing me in the direction of OEM Audio Plus. So I got on a number of blogs, researched the system, and there's really good feedback on it. It's economical, it's plug and play, it's high quality, it's focused on the Tacoma model, really good reviews. So I went to their website to check it out, and unfortunately, they don't have an upgrade available for the JBL system, just for the stock system. I contacted them about this, and they said that they're working on an upgrade. It's a little bit complicated with that JBL system, and they're hoping to have an upgrade available by the end of 2019, which I don't think is available just yet, or early 2020. So something should be coming from them fairly soon on the Tacoma, but it's not there just yet. Now, fast forward, purchase the 4Runner now. This is still in my memory about the OEM Audio Plus system. So that's immediately where I go as soon as we get the 4Runner. Again, the sound system isn't all that good in the 4Runner, especially with the basic system. It's not terrible either, but it's not up to my standards. So again, did some research on blogs, got on OEM Audio Plus's website, and fortunately, they do have an upgrade available for the 4Runner. That's the system that I chose. Let's jump over to my bench, and I'll show you a little bit of why this system is much better than the stock system in the 4Runner. Now, before I get into system specifics, one of the things that really attracted me to OEM Audio Plus is that they're not a manufacturer that's just putting out blanket solutions for any make and model. They specialize in Toyota, Lexus, Scion, Subaru, and Ford vehicles, and only a few specific models within each of those brands. And so with that, you're getting a system that's specific to your vehicle from a sound standpoint as well as a fitment standpoint. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that I've already completed the installation on the driver's side of the vehicle. I wanted to do that so that I could show you a comparison of the speakers that you've got stock in your 4Runner and the upgraded speakers that you get from OEM Audio Plus. The new OEM Audio Plus speakers offer pre-tuned equalization that's specific to the acoustics of the 4Runner, resulting in high fidelity sound without any adjustments. All of the upgraded speakers also offer neodymium magnets, which have higher magnetic density and power saturation, offering a smaller footprint for better fit and performance. Now, one of the great things about this system upgrade is that it's a complete speaker replacement option. So you don't have to piece together all the different speakers for your vehicle. The OEM Audio Plus system includes all the speakers that you need to upgrade your vehicle. It's also a plug-and-play solution, meaning that the adapters are exactly the same between the factory speakers and the upgraded speakers. No need to cut any wires, and one of the benefits to that is that it maintains your factory warranty. Now, you'll also see that the speakers are exactly the same size, offering perfect fitment, and even the bolt holes are in the exact same placement. So there's no need to modify anything for the install. Now, starting over here on the left-hand side, these are the tweeters. They go up on the dashboard. This is the new OEM Audio Plus tweeter. It's a 1-inch tweeter. And then this is the factory tweeter that I removed. And moving over, these are the woofers that you'll find in the driver and front passenger doors. They're a 6x9 woofer. You'll see, again, this is the old woofer that was removed, and this is the new OEM Audio Plus woofer. See, one of the upgrades with this new woofer is that it's got the carbon fiber cone, and it's designed to complement the tweeter. Moving over to the right, these are the rear speakers. These are going to be in the rear passenger doors as well as the rear hatch. So we've got 4 total. Again, this is the factory. It's a 6.5-inch woofer. And then we've got the upgraded OEM Audio Plus speaker, which is two-way, meaning that it offers a woofer and the integrated 1-inch tweeter. Again, it's got that carbon fiber dome. And one of the important factors about this system, again, the fact that it's a complete system, is that the speakers are all designed to match from a tonal standpoint. So you're not going to have inconsistent sound. So those are the specifics on the system that I'm going to be installing in my 4Runner. But another great thing about OEM Audio Plus is that they offer incremental upgrades. Now I'm doing just the speaker replacement, which is $650, and it replaces all the speakers in the vehicle. They've also got a package that leaves the factory speakers in the vehicle and adds an amplifier and a new trunk subwoofer. Put a photo up so you can see what that subwoofer looks like. It's got really clean fitment, designed again specific to the 4Runner. That package is $1,300. And then they've also got a package that includes full speaker replacement, the amplifier, and the subwoofer for $1,800. Now obviously the $1,800 package is going to be most cost effective if you want to do the full upgrade, but it's nice to have an option available to do just the speakers or to do the amplifier and the subwoofer and add the other later on if you don't quite get the sound that you're after. So that's the OEM Audio Plus system for the 5th generation 4Runner. I'm really excited to get this system installed and see what it does for the sound quality in my vehicle. If you have any comments or questions on the system, leave them in the section below. To stay up to date on my progress with the 4Runner, my install video of this OEM Audio Plus system, and my thoughts on the sound quality once it's installed, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.